Hi everyone, it's Asjit from South Asia Tech. In today's video, I will show you how you can add an email opt-in form like this in your WordPress page or blog using Divi Page Builder. To add a similar looking email opt-in form, you need to log into the dashboard. Once you successfully logged into your site, go to Posts and click on Add New. Add post title, I will add email opt-in and then click on Use Divi Builder button. Now here you have to choose a layout. I will select build from scratch. Add a single row and search email. Here you can see email opt-in module. Select this one. Now here you can see a box was added. Now change this title text. I will add contact us. You can change the subscribe button to send message or subscribe is perfect. Leave them. Just you can change this content from there. You can also add a footer text. I will add this text and it will appear under this form. Now from email account you can change a email provider. I will select HubSpot. You can change a list. From fields you can enable or disable any field. For example, I will use a single name field and you can see the last name and first name field was disappeared. But I will also show first field name like this or hide them. You can also hide the last name field like this. From success section you can display a message or redirect to a custom URL. I will display a message. I will add succeeded. You can also add a spam protection service. Just go to background. I will add this background and reduce its opacity. Now go to design. From design I will change this text typography. For this click on this pencil button. Change font. I will add email. Now change its weight to bold and color to black. Make its size to 28 or 30. Now edit this body text. Make its font to Acme. Size, weight is bold and color is dark black. Now change its. Now I will change its color to yellow or red is perfect. Make it regular. Now it will appear like this and it looks perfect. Now edit the field section. You can change field text color. I will make it dark black. You can also just change this button text style. For this click on this pencil button. Enable this section and you can change this style like this. You can also add a background color like this. I will add this orange color. Now click on this tick button. Now here you can see you have different options. I will publish the post. Now you have successfully published the post. Now click on this section, add a name, add our last name, email and click on subscribe button. When you subscribe, an arrow will come like that. That's how you can add an email opt-in in your WordPress page or blog using Divi Builder. Hope you learned something from this tutorial. If so, please like, share and subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notified about future updates. Thanks for watching.